Alright y'all, so today is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. The last vlog had us all going out to the steakhouse, and today I'm cooking out for the whole crew. So you think if you work here, you probably just eat out all the time. That's not too far from the truth. Today we're going to be having beef short ribs. So I'm peeling the membrane off of all these. We're going to smoke them on the Traeger all day long. It's going to be delicious. We're about to work out. What are we working out today, Crystal? Shoulders? We're about to do shoulders, so stay tuned for that. Here's all our seasoned ribs right here. We're gonna throw them on the grill. Get ready. Yeah, buddy.
Look at that.
Gotta love it.
How long are these gonna be cooking for?
8 hours.
8 hours. Woo! I'm ready. Ready.
Alright, y'all. So we just finished crushing back and shoulders. So I figured I'd do a quick little shoulder tutorial tip. Last tip we did with shoulders was how to engage the front delt a little bit more. So I want to talk a little bit about the rear delt today. There's two exercises in particular that I used today that I'm a huge fan of for engaging the rear delt. The rear delt is key if you're doing like a back double bicep pose to really make that pop. The rear delt ties in right here where the top of the tricep is, and it attaches to the top of the subscapular region there. So think about it, the more you can bring your arms back to contract that muscle and shorten the distance from where the tie-in points are, the better contraction you're gonna get. So one exercise in particular that I'm a huge fan of is bent over reverse flies. So grab your dumbbells or cables or whatever you're doing, position yourself on a bench, put the weight underneath you, bend over on top of your legs. Get the back of me. Alright, so that's a movement specifically focusing on the rear delts. There's another movement that's more geared towards the back development, but it also tightens that contraction point, so it's closing the distance between the two tie-in points, so it's a really good way to engage the rear delts as well. And I've been training back and shoulders on the same day, so it's a really good complementary exercise. And this is simply done, you could do it with cables, you could do it with dumbbells, you could do it with barbells even. I like doing it with dumbbells because I can focus a little bit more on the hand placement. So get your dumbbells. So we're gonna be doing a dumbbell row, but grab a bench and then put your face down. So basically you're facing opposite the way the bench is intended to go. That's gonna help take some of the momentum out of it. If you're just doing it freestanding, you're gonna be able to use a lot of momentum. We don't want that. So again, angle your hand down to take the bicep out of it, and then use an inclined bench facing forward to take the momentum out of it. And watch the contraction here. And that whole time, I'm obviously hitting my back, but I'm also really getting that rear delt there. Give him a shot. Just realized that every video clip on this vlog up to this point has been me without a shirt. So, put a shirt on. The ribs are on the smoker right now. They're smoking. I've been on podcasts. I've been on client calls. I've been on demo calls all day long, getting a whole bunch of computer work done. Kara is getting trained up on how to do the emails. The crew's been making bricks. Life is good. I'm getting hungry for some ribs though. Alright y'all, so the ribs are almost done. Brandon and his whole family are coming over to have dinner with us. Kara and her boyfriend Anthony are here, and they brought their 2 dogs. We have Jack, and then Crystal is making some deviled eggs. Nice. I like it. I like it. Alright, so we've got a little shindig set up. Is that a salad, Kara?
It's not mine. It's got croutons. It's not mine.
Are you gonna eat the ribs too?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
I'll eat as much as you give me, man. As much as you give me.
Since Dylan is only eating bricks, Bryson, you've got to eat his share. I bet the dogs will take some ribs. Think so? All right, so we got the beef ribs fresh out of the Traeger. You're gonna eat them all up?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Try. Yeah.
Well, hello there, everybody. It is the end of the day. Everybody has left. Honestly, didn't film too much while everybody was here. Just kind of tried to be in the moment. But the ribs were amazing.
They were very, very
The sides were delicious. Everybody had a good time. The kids ran around, rode scooters. Bryson ran around with them. And
the dogs came over. That was
yeah.
fun.
It was a good way to spend Memorial Day. And on that note, I want to take a moment and honor all of those who have fallen in serving this country on this Memorial Day. You should take time to pay your respects and appreciate what all has been done before you've ever come along. Not just on Memorial Day, but every day. But this day, you know, that's what this day is all about, is taking a moment and appreciating those that have come before you to provide the life that you're living now. So I feel very blessed, very fortunate to be able to be free and live in America and have the opportunities that we do to build this business. And I don't know, we got a lot going for us. So, it was a good day.
It was a good day.
It's a very good day. Tomorrow, what is tomorrow? We're leaving for the low-carb cruise on Thursday.
Yes.
And we'll be gone for, I think it's like a 7 or 8 day cruise. So I'm not really sure what the content's going to be like there. I'm going to try and pre-record some things. I'm going to try and vlog while I'm on the cruise. But I don't really know. There's going to be a bunch of up-in-the-air stuff. Why are you breathing so heavy?
I was yawning, but I didn't want to yawn in front of the camera, so I yawned in my mouth.
Have a good day?
Yeah, I did.
You
It's
did?
been a long day, but it's been a good day.
Yeah. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. We'll keep you posted when we find out more about what our plans are. Happy Memorial Day. Hope you had a great one. Spent time with those close to you. And thanks for everything. We'll see you tomorrow.